Welcome to this tutorial on how to install Flask on Python in Windows 10. In this video, we will go through the step-by-step process to set up Flask, create a simple application, and run it on your local machine. First, you need to install Python if you haven't already. If you have, check your version. Open Command Prompt and run the following command. Python version. To install Flask, open Command Prompt and enter the following command: pip install Flask. This will download and install Flask, along with its dependencies. To verify that Flask is installed, run Python mflask version. You should see the Flask version displayed, which confirms a successful installation. In this tutorial, we covered how to install Python and set up Flask. Now you are ready to start developing your own Flask projects. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more programming tutorials.